We're using the negatives from the sticker sheets, what's left of a napkin, and some corrugated cardboard. We're taking trash and turning it into treasure for today's junk journal video. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm working in the little bird book that we've made in the party for the June challenge finishers. It is also the mini challenge in the challenge number 4 for the February Finish It Junk Journal Challenge. And I am using trash. Okay, so welcome to the really messy desk. So I'm using the pieces of the napkin and some sticker pieces and making items that I can add into this. Now it's a journal, okay? If you want to see the flip through of this, you can check Friday's video. The details for the mini challenge and the challenge number 4. And because I'm making that after I make this video. So anyway, we are using trash. We're also using a stamp that I made out of corrugated cardboard, and we'll be using that in here, so that is trash as well. So I've taken this sticker and I've cut around the edges of some of these hearts, and I'll be adding those in. And so let's see, so just I've used the heart, so possibly that was the heart that I used. And now we're just going to come back and use the piece that's left. Okay, so I've cut around the heart. I'll show you that in just a minute. And then we can just go ahead and add it in as a collage embellishment. Okay, so this is the sticker sheet. And we have this large heart, and so I'm going to go ahead and cut around it. And that gives us a heart sticker. So making more out of what we've got here, we can just add that here. You can add glue to it if you want, but it is a sticker. So that is how I am doing that on the smaller ones. Obviously, just coming in, doing the same thing, cutting around it. And if I mean, I can do this and put these in a stack and use them for something else. But this is Finish It February, and for me right now that includes finishing off product. So so this sticker sheet counts as a Finish It. And if you are part of the February Finish It Junk Journal Challenge, you know that when I finish a product in a live video, then we've been doing little drawings and stuff, and that's been kind of fun. So, okay. So now adding in, I have this square, okay. So I can go ahead and let's show you with this square. So I haven't used this sticker yet. It's a bicycle. And Chip just came into the room here, so, and he heard me say his name. So this was part of a leftover napkin, and I've added it there. I'm going to go ahead and add this bicycle sticker here. So with that, we have finished the sticker sheet. That was our last sticker on this sticker sheet. And I'm going to go ahead and cut around this. Okay, so I'm going to cut around this square. That'll give me a frame. And then we're going to go to the digital that I've been using. And we're going to find something that we can frame with this and add it. Then we'll be able to add it in to the journal. Okay, so I can just go ahead and take the sticker off and see what we think about it on here. I kind of like that, so we'll go ahead and frame that piece and then cut it off. So one of the things I like to do is use all of the stuff. Use everything. So we have the cute little pink bird on a frame. And we have a really noisy dog. Okay, I'm going to add that here. Okay, so this heart, I had it on here as a pocket. So if I put it down low, it can still be a little pocket. So we're going to go ahead and add this in. We're going to have two. Oh, I like that. I'm going to put that right there. So this is a piece of the napkin. The lines are from the corrugated heart stamp. We'll go ahead and add this and we'll have a really sweet little collage right there, I think. We have the other piece of that. And you could go ahead and go with this look. Okay, so leaving this larger piece down here, and it actually will look like a Polaroid picture. If you remember those from back in the day, they would have this area down at the bottom. right on the edge on this one side, but that's okay. But this is a way to use, this is the mini ephemera sheet from the mini journal part of the Beautiful Birds digital kit, Dear Julie Julie. And so this is a way to use some of the little tiny ephemera in a journal. I think we'll add him right here. Oh, we have one more. Okay, so I have the gold hearts, and we've been using these in this journal here. So you can do the same thing with the gold, and I'm going to go ahead and just come right around the edge of this heart. And then you just pull this up and off, and I'll show you, we did use one of these right here. Okay, so that's the same thing that we used there, and I think we'll use it up front here. And then just pull it off. And those are some of the lines from the corrugated cardboard heart. I'll go ahead and... So this was cut out of cardboard, and then I pulled up one side so that I'd have a flap to hold it. And then you just go ahead and ink it. And find a place that you might want to have it. And I've done both. I've done where I've tried to make it look like the heart. And the way I've done that is come in and press it down. And then stamp it again and come back just a little bit off, because the corrugated pieces are so far apart, I'm not seeing them on here. It's not standing out super well. But there you go. This is using the corrugated cardboard piece that was trash to make a little stamp. So trash to treasure, using the outline pieces. What's left after you have used up all your stickers, cutting them out and making little pieces that you can use in your journals or paper crafts, as well as a cardboard little stamp. The other thing is this was what was left of the napkin, and so I took one of the little pieces and we added it here. Okay, so that was trash. I had already taken the bird, all the birds. This was the last bird on the napkin, and I also used the postcard right here. So, so from what was left of a napkin, we have added that and decorated in here. The other trash, this was a calendar from last year, and I cut that out and added that as well. And this was from a shirt, so added that in here, and it's here. And I also I glued it here, some of the shirt. So that is our trash to treasure. And this is the book that I'm making for the mini challenge and the challenge number 4. And if you watch the video on Friday, you will see the details for this next mini challenge. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Say hi to Chip. Say hi, Chip. Hi, Chip. And have an amazing day. Bye. See you tomorrow. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Chip.